Both private and professional information are best supported by multiple documents connected to each other by hyperlinks, which distribute information without duplication. Documents used to be created by a rigid process of outline, rough draft, and final copy. Word processors have replaced this with a much simpler and more flexible process, but they have not done this with hyperlinking. LinkXall fills this gap not only for Word documents, but also other types of files. It simplifies creating hyperlinks and automates updating them. I originally developed LinkXall for documenting the design history of complex medical machines, but using it to manage professional information convinced me that it would also be very useful for personal information. One of its especially useful features is its automated hierarchical topic framework. At the top of the document is a list of the topics, which is essentially a table of contents. Each topic in the list is a link to the topic heading, making it easy to find particular topics. Each topic heading is a link to its topics link. This inverse table of contents is a unique feature of LinkXall. It provides an overview of the context and related topics of any particular topic. Every topic heading comprises its name, bookmark, and hyperlink. When it is renamed, LinkXall automatically updates the bookmark and hyperlink to match the new name, and it updates all hyperlinks to it in the document. LinkXall also automates updating hyperlinks in other files to this topic heading. Although this is automated, it is a complex process and can take some time. So after updating all local hyperlinks, LinkXall asks before updating references in other files. LinkXall encourages dynamic documentation, which records information as soon as it becomes available, eliminating random notes. However, as a topic develops, its relationship to other topics can change. LinkXall can move a topic, including all of its contents and subtopics, to another location in the document and or change its level. For example, if a topic that begins as a subtopic of another increases in complexity, it may be elevated to a higher level. When LinkXall changes the level of a topic, it changes the topic's bookmark and updates local and remote hyperlinks in the same way it does when a topic is renamed. It may also coincidentally change the subtopic's levels. It asks for each one whether to do this, and if a subtopic's level is changed, hyperlinks to it are updated. LinkXall is free and open source for Windows and Linux, available to anyone from github.com/davidhmccracken/linkxall. Clicking on any of the documents on the main page opens it in the file page where you can read it. lxainstall.zip is an archive of all of the LinkXall program and documentation files, plus a program to install and configure it. The GitHub file page can't display the archive's contents, but clicking the Download Raw File button downloads it to your computer, where you can unzip it and open the LXA install document to read about and install LinkXall. The core of LinkXall is a LibreOffice library. If you don't already have LibreOffice, you can get it from libreoffice.org/download.